This video will explore the IAR error, Retry Later document in use. It will explain why this error occurs and provide practical steps that you can easily implement to prevent this error from happening, giving you the confidence to manage this error. The IAR message Retry Later document in use is a common error that many agents encounter. There are 3 typical reasons why this error occurs. First, another agent is actively working in the same transaction at the same time. A transaction can only be accessed by one agent at a time. If an agent is active in a transaction, no one else can access the same transaction until the active session has been properly ended. IAR displays the username of the active agent as part of the error message to anyone attempting to access the same transaction. If you need to work in a transaction, make sure no one else is in the same transaction. Another way this error can appear is when an agent forgets to end the transaction in IAR and the 15-minute timeout period has not passed. If an agent forgets to end a transaction by clicking the ET End Transaction button, the transaction is still considered in use. If another agent tries to go into the transaction, they will receive the error message, Retry Later, document in use by. Always close the transaction by using the ET End Transaction button to save the transaction, or the Ignore button to cancel the transaction. The last reason is when an agent exits IAR incorrectly. When exiting, you must select the Close IAR button. If you close the web browser instead of using the Close IAR button, the IAR session will still be open, and the transaction will be considered in use. If another agent tries to open the same transaction, they will receive the error message, Retry Later, document in use. If you do not exit IAR correctly, you will have to wait 15 minutes for the session to end. ARC recommends that you reconcile your report daily. To learn more about ARC and its processes, visit the description below this video, or use the link in the description to sign up for the ARC Specialist training. Thanks for watching!